So our blue heron is back. Basically the same spot. Oh, this time he's facing us. You're not going to find much food over here. You got to turn around and look at the water. Aja's pictures and video turned out way better on her DSLR. I want to get it flying away, but he's on his own schedule. Last night he flew away just after I turned my camera off, of course. Fly away. I'm making a little breakfast here. This is sweet peppers, black beans, rice and quinoa, and a little spinach. And if you want to make it vegan, then just add this to your tortilla. I'm going to put 1 egg in it just because I have a dozen eggs, which would make it just vegetarian. And don't tell my kidney doctor that I'm putting salt in it. And that looked like I put a lot in it, but literally hardly any comes out of that. But I do like some salt. And to soften up the tortilla a little, it's hard doing this with one hand. I'm just going to put the tortilla on top of there for a couple minutes, turn the heat down and let that steam a little bit, and invert it into onto a plate and roll it up. I should have put some salsa in it, but I thought of it too late. But this is going to be good. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Just give me a minute. Okay. Yum. Really good. And healthy, except for the flour tortilla. But people would argue about that. So, yum. It's a little warm, yeah. Burrito. Okay, so. Oh. Hopefully it's, yeah, okay. So, here's my kayak. And now I have to take off the paddles. And you can see it has a seat. And the specs are on here. It holds, it's 8 feet by 30 inches. It weighs 38 pounds and it has a weight capacity of 250 pounds. And it's for a beginner flat water. And I am a beginner, and that's fairly flat water. Not real flat, but flat enough. So.
It's flat.
Not if you're a water skier. Okay, so here goes. We found life vests at Fred Meyer yesterday for $15.99, and they are Coast Guard approved, and that is a requirement in Washington State, as are whistles. You have to have a whistle around your neck. My kayak has a back, which I found out when I was kayaking with my brother and sister-in-law, was very important because my back got very tired. And I have a very, my back is not in good shape. So I get back pain quite quickly. So anyway, we're gonna head out.